I've never disrespected Brenda. I've always been faithful to her. However, now I'm coming to realize that she may never change that rude way of talking to me. At this moment, I think I deserve better. Why should I subject myself to this kind of verbal abuse? Eh? Why? I don't think I should subject myself to this kind of abuse. There's a young lady at my office. She has liked me for the past 9 months, 27 days and about 36 seconds. The same one that Brenda called all sort of names and speak all manner of evil against. I think it's time I had a conversation with her. She seems nice. What do you think?